Can I mine Bitcoin on my phone? Is it profitable though? I mean, can I at least pay the price of the phone that I'm holding in my hands and that will mine Bitcoin? In this video, both you and me will find out. First of all, I was scrolling on YouTube and searching for videos on how to mine Bitcoin with phone and came across videos claiming that we can earn $10 per day or even $100 per day. Actually, in the thumbnail and in the video he says $50 per day, but he typed $100 in the title. Kinda sus. Which naturally, after seeing these videos, I clicked and watched the videos.
I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of my Bitcoin that I've mined here today.
No thanks. I guess they made the app with Microsoft Word. I would say that it looks kinda scam, but even a blind person would see that this is a scam.
Currently I have $0 on my Coinbase account, so I have nothing, I'm poor, but that is about to change, guys. So you see this button here that says mine? Well, every time you tap on that, it actually gives you free money.
My life has been a lie. So that's how people get rich. Like, are these videos even real? Do real people believe them? I don't know. I found an app called StormGain, and this app asks you to mine $10 worth of Bitcoin so you can withdraw your money, and when you do mine $10 of worth Bitcoin, you can withdraw your money. Why? Because the app tells you that you have to invest with this $10 and you can withdraw your money if you earn something from the trades. Like, you can invest on Bitcoin with this $10 and if the Bitcoins go up, you make a little bit of profit and you can withdraw that profit, not that $10. Also, according to what I read on the internet, the market fees are quite high. Honestly, I don't think that we can make any money with this app. The main purpose of the app looks like to attract new people and it does not look very profitable. These days it's so hard to find a good Bitcoin mining app. Damn it. Anyway, after some research, I found at least a video that can be real.
With 4 phones, crypto tab, 7 days, clicking it as much as I could, I made about 28 cents every single day. That's not bad at all, guys.
Yeah, not bad at all. Well, at least this app doesn't seem to be a virus and I can give it a try. Apparently what we're gonna do here is called cloud mining and it won't affect our phone's battery life or CPU usage. I hit the microphone. That's what I heard from the videos, guys. I'm not a pro, so I don't know. But as far as I know, mining's supposed to use battery life if you're doing on laptop or CPU usage. I don't know. We'll see. By the way, the main principle of cloud mining is to operate through remote servers that allow you to mine. In short, I think that we are gonna mine from another remote computer. I guess I'm gonna go with CryptoTab. This application is the same with Google Chrome, just it has the mining option in the background. When I enter the app, I can determine the mining speed from here, and right below that it says true speed mining on the desktop version only. So I guess to reach the true speed, I need to download it on my computer. And if I go down here, it says due to our restrictions, true speed mining feature is available in the desktop version of CryptoTab browser only. So I guess I won't be able to reach my true speed. In the videos that I watch, people do not install them on the phones that they use daily, but good luck to me. I download it on the phone that I use daily for 3 and over years. My computer survived these mining videos, but I hope my phone does too. Finally, I do not believe that any app will be profitable. Already, CryptoTab gives us only a little bit of the mining that we do. I mean, that's what I read on the internet. They get the most of it. So personally, I believe that it will be a waste of electricity and my phone. But after all, we are doing a challenge here, so I'm gonna mine Bitcoin on my phone for 7 days in a humane level. What I mean with humane? I mean that I will only mine with my phone during the day, just like a normal person would do. I mean, I will not keep my phone for 7 days, 24 hours a day open. So I will see you at the end of the 7 days and I will let you know if there's something new or something that I need to talk about. There we go. I know that was quick, but while I was editing the video, I realized I forgot to mention something yesterday about the CryptoTab. By the way, I'm mining, it's on full max speed and mining. So now I want to talk about the referral system. This system works like a pyramid. Let me explain it with an example. Let's say that I invited 2 people. So if those 2 people mine Bitcoin, I will earn some extra money just because they're mining and I invited them. But they won't lose anything, just I will earn some extra money. And also they won't earn money because I mine. And that's because I'm higher in the pyramid. So if those 2 people invite another 2 people, there will be 4 people in the total that I invited. Even that I didn't invite those 2 another people, but they got invited from the people that I invited. So I will still earn money from them. So I will put a photo here. Let's say I'm higher in the pyramid. I invited 2 people and those 2 people invited another 2 people. I will earn money from everyone because I'm the top in the pyramid. But the second level, the people that I invited, they won't earn anything from me, but they will earn from the people that they invited. And the third level, they won't earn money from anyone unless they invite someone. As far as I understand, that's how the system works. If I have a mistake, let me know in the comments. So I will continue mining and see you at the end of the 7 days. Yep. Welcome. 5 days have been passed and I've been mining from my phone for 5 days. Yes, I did, but how much did I earn? Is it profitable or will I continue? These are the real questions. So let's see. First of all, I want to talk about something. Mining speed. As I said in the previous minutes of the video, there's a mining video on my channel where I mine from my computer. And on that video, my mining speed, my hash per second speed, I'm not saying mega hash per second because none of my techs, I mean my phone or my computer, can't mine in mega hash. They're mining in a hash per second, which that means they are slow, but still, on my computer I was mining with 600 hash per second. On my phone, I was mining with 12 hash per second. So you can do the math. 600 hash, which is still slow, and 12 hash per second. For a while, for a couple hours on my phone, I was mining with 40 hash per second. I don't know what happened. I guess it pumped up, happened something, I don't know what. But then it went back to 12 hash per second. So now let's see how much Bitcoin I mined. At the end of 7 days, mining from my phone for 7 days, I earned exactly 5 cents. Yeah, I already bought my Tesla Model S. And it's on the way, coming right now, and I will make a video about it when it arrives. Would be great saying that. In short, as you can see, you can't mine Bitcoin from your phone. You can't. Mining is not something that can be done from a phone. I will neither continue nor recommend it to you. That's all I gotta say. That was my 7-day mining experience. If you're wondering how mining from a computer is, I suggest you to watch this video here. In that video, obviously, I'm mining Bitcoin from my computer for 7 days, and at the end of the video, I show you the results, how much Bitcoin I have mined. And I'm talking whether it's profitable or not, if that's worth it or not. So if you want, you can watch that video too. So, see you in that video. Bye bye.